This is what a functioning sun visor looks like. The flap pivots outward and then clips back into place. It's held in position by a small part called a retainer. This part is sometimes referred to as a sun visor clip. When the clip on the retainer breaks off, the flap no longer functions. It dangles from the hinge in front of the windshield. So we'll install a new retainer. First, remove the old part. Using a screwdriver, Bob removes the screw located on the underside of the retainer and sets it aside. Keep the screw in case one doesn't come with the new part. Ours did not. Once it's loosened, you can pull away the retainer and clean out any debris as needed. The impression left by the original part acts as a guide for the new install. Hold the retainer over the impression and make sure the new part lines up. Don't try to hold the retainer up and then screw it in place. Instead, put the screw through the opening on the retainer and hold it in place with the screwdriver. Then line up the retainer with the impression and tighten down the screw. Close the flap over the recess on the underside of the retainer. Now make sure it all works. Bob clips the sun visor into the retainer and the clip holds. The visor moves up and down, no falling in front of the windshield. He pops the visor out of the clip, it pivots on the hinge, and clips back into the retainer. And we're done. Thanks for watching.